what I eat in a day, raw vegan. So smoothies, why smoothies? Smoothies are a great way to get fiber, to get nutrition, to get calories on a raw food lifestyle. One of the biggest challenges people have is getting enough calories, and whenever you have smoothies that are based with bananas or dates, lots of berries, greens and stuff, it's very easy to get your calorie needs met and also get extra vitamins and minerals from those greens and those berries. So I love smoothies, feel great on them, so good I'm dancing. And dancing is another easy hack for movement, for fitness, because it's fun. Put on your favorite tune. I'm blasting the ukulele. That's actually me playing the ukulele. Getting the practice in. And yeah, just loving life. Seriously, I just have those like aha moments whenever I'm having smoothies. It's like heaven. So I went hard today on the dates. Got dates, got apples, got strawberries. So strawberries, fun fact about strawberries. Strawberries are unique in that they have the seeds on the skin of the fruit. And this salad was honestly one of the nicest salads I've ever had in my life. Please study this salad. It was just so delicious, so tasty. And the sauce I made, I thawed out some peas and blended it with some salt. And oh my goodness, this salad could change your life. Shout out Vegan Solution. Give credit where credit is due. It was absolutely beautiful. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. And here's some lifestyle clips.
First time, every time. Kill him, kill him, kill him.